It looks so good. It literally looks fake. I can't believe it. Come back! I got my laptop. This might be the best burger I've ever had. How much was the laptop? Ask me. And we's going to. Where are we going?
We're going to Goodwill and we're going to the beauty
Goodwill.
supply so I can get this together, you guys.
That's right. I'm gonna install her hair.
Yes.
Ah, I'm so excited. We're picking up Dez's bike.
Yes, guys, we still haven't got the wig yet, but we're gonna get.
Yeah, we're still gonna do the wig. Right now, we're running errands. This is where we're picking up the bike. Okay, that dog is still barking at us. She got her bike. I love it. Wow! Come back! Got her new phone, period.
Yes, y'all, it's pink. That's $1,050.
Exactly. It's so cute.
Oh,
Hey, like what? It's fine. We're going to the beauty supply store to get the wig essentials, period. This is the There she is. Come with me to go get my first laptop by myself with my money that I made for myself at the age of 19, period. Can a lot of 19-year-olds say that? Can they? I don't know. Don't think so. We're at the mall to finally get my laptop, guys. Can't believe I'm getting my laptop. I cannot believe this. And I have the money and everything. We were originally just supposed to come get her phone fixed because she can't get through or something, you know. But now I think I should just get my laptop because I have my money for my laptop. So, period. Oh, I just.
Give it a cool name and enjoy your computer.
Thank you so much. Do you guys if you want to? Thank you. Oh my days. Just want to thank God that I can do this. Period. I'm so grateful. My own money and my own hard work, I was able to purchase this laptop today. Amen to God. And this is just the beginning. There's still gonna be bigger and more purchases to come in the future. I can't hide my excitement. They're setting it up for me, guys. I can't believe this. And I got insurance and everything, so like, I'm completely set. Guys, we're at the mall. I love this mall. It's so gorgeous. I feel like I'm not happy enough for someone who just bought a laptop. I thought I'd be. I mean, I am happy. I'm just in disbelief. I feel like I'm in disbelief instead of joy. How much was a laptop? Ask me. $2,000.
You.
That's 35,000 rand, 36,000 rand. And your girl just spent that much money on a laptop. Dang, this was just the first big purchase. Many more are coming, honey. God is good. Oh, guys, Shake Shack looks so good. It literally looks fake. Is it just me? might be the best burger I've ever had. We are so proud of ourselves. Like, she got her new phone.
Yes.
Show it to them.
Oh,
show it
and
to
a bike.
them.
And I got my bike.
And she got her
And I'm
bike.
finally gonna get my hair done.
And she's getting her hair. Girl, it's just a good day full of
is.
blessings.
Yes. I got my laptop. I cannot believe this. Guys, we actually did it.
Was just the wig cap. We just put the wig cap on. If this goes well, I might just turn it into a business, period.
It's gonna go well.
Period, right? No, because I saw my girls go through a lot and it was really hard for like when.
Let's go.
To the meat. I want some chicken.
It's easy.
It would go good. I always grab from the back.